your words.
Me,
No.
Hello.
Thank you, brother. Say hello.
Hello.
All right, now tell him.
May I have honey output big?
Speak up.
May I have big honey output out, please?
So, brother, we'll actually do number 5 for him. So 6-inch rotisserie. Hey, don't shake it. Come on. No.
5 minutes.
You got 5 minutes? Yeah, it's gonna stop in 5 minutes. You should be able to order properly in less than 5 minutes. All right?
Big.
Yeah, brother. How about you, man?
Cut.
Now, everything you order, you gotta speak up. All right?
2. 2. 2.
No.
2, please.
No 2.
May I have chicken down 1?
Please.
Please.
Kind of cheese, but.
Pepper jack, please.
Pepper jack? I got it. How you doing? Good. I'm going to have 6-inch Italian American cheese tuna, please. You like to heat it up? You want to heat it up?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Don't touch the camera because I'm going to bet you watch and see if you did.
No guacamole.
No guacamole, that's right. Now step down because this is my sandwich now. You step right there.
No.
Stay right there. I'm gonna have cheddar, please, and mine's gonna be light. Carter, stand right here, son. Alright, here's the big part. Let's see how well you do. Stand right there. She's talking to you, son.
Spanish, please. Spanish, please. Tomatoes, please. Onions, please.
Good job, buddy.
Green pepper, please. Olives, please. Banana peppers, please. Mayo, please. Spicy mustard, please. Salt, pepper, please. Oregano, please. May I have curd, please?
You want any of these?
No.
No pickles?
No.
Okay.
May I have curd, please?
Say, will you?
When you curd, please?
up.
When you cut, please.
He said, will you cut it, please? You gotta speak up, buddy.
When you cut it, please. Melt.
Yes. I'm gonna wait on the 3. I'm gonna get it last time you spit.
Thank you.
Walk over there.
Thank you.
Good job. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good job. Good job responding.